you? Hopefully you're fine. This is 2024 Algo V1 and it will automatically will give you the support resistance line, buy and sell signal. There is band line and there is a EMA line. Okay, it will give you like this one. Okay, so let's start the video and just a small request, please subscribe my channel, must like my video. If you like my indicator, please subscribe my channel. Okay, here we will see the first results in the BTC and you will see the result like this one. Okay, actually this is a scalping indicator. Remember, this is a scalping indicator. You have need to follow this buy signal like this one, this sell signal. Okay, and here you got this one buy signal. Okay, this one bull one. Okay, this sell signal. Okay, but this sell signal you can clearly see that is not a profitable buy signal or solely sell signal. Why this is not profitable signal? I will show you this one. Okay, and here you can see most you can see the 90% signals are profitable, but 10 signals are not profitable. Here you this one the sell signal. Here you can see, let me show you here this one. Here you have need to take your profit one, and this one buy signal. Let me show you here. You get this buy signal, you get this buy signal. Okay, and you have need to take the profit when candle touch to the upper band line. You got the signal book profit. Here you can see this sell signal. You have need to take your profit here. There are some sell signal with the color and there are some sell signal with do not have color. You have need to follow the signal which has color like this one, and you have need to follow the signal which appeared on upper band line. Then follow sell signal. The signal that appear on the lower band line, you follow buy signal like here you this one. Okay, this one buy bull signal, this one like here this one, and you need to take your profit here. This bull signal give you the profit here. This bull signal sell signal is not profitable because it's not appear on the upper band line. Okay, and let me show you some more one. This one is very close to the upper lower band line, but it's good giving you good profit here. Okay, this bull signal give you a good profit here. Okay, and a lot of signals here you can see. Okay, here you can see the results. Okay, if you want to see the results in the 5-minute time frame, you can see the results will be look like this one. Here you can see. Now the strategy is when there is a EMA line. Here you can see this one EMA line. Okay, when the EMA line, you can see the sell signal appear. There is a sell signal to these two signals appear. Okay, and remember when the candle close below from the EMA line, this is the EMA line. Okay, and when the candle close below from the EMA line, you have need to take your entry. Take stop loss should be on the previous high point, and you can book a very good profit. Like here you can see after bulling signal, you can see the candle when close above from the EMA line, you will see the market going will upside. Okay, okay, but you need to take profit and cannot tie to the upper band line. Okay, here you can see the signal appear here and you have need to take very small profit like here, but after getting after touching to the lower band line, candle close upside from the EMA line, you will see that is a very good signal. Okay, like here you can see EMA line is very close to the lower band line. So after touching to the lower band line and the candle is already above from the EMA line, so this is your buy signal. Again you can take your buy entry again, and this one. Okay, here we are just waiting for the EMA line. Candle close below from the EMA line, then we will take entry. Okay, and there is a support resistance support and resistance level automatically supply and demand resist, and each and everything will automatically draw. Okay, and just need to follow. Here you can see there is a resistance as well, and there is a signal appearing, so you can take a small entry and you can book your small profit here. But remember, after you can see there is a support. Okay, after touching to the support, when candle close upside from the EMA line, then you have need to take your buy entry and need to take profit. Like uh, this resistance appear at this level. Okay, but when the signal appear, you can see this, when this was your buy entry, but at this point you can see there is a no resistance, but after some time there is a resistance. Okay, so you have need to take profit when candle touch to the upper band line. That's it. Here you can see resistance appear, candle is upside from the EMA, so you can take buy entry. Okay, here you can see the supply buy support resistance appear, and after support resistance here appear, you have need to watch the candle must be upside from the EML, then you take buy entry. Okay, support resistance appear, and when the support resistance appear, you have need to watch the candle should be upside from the EML, you can go for the buy entry. Here you can see the support is appear, but after some time you can see the candle close upside from the EML, so you can take for the buy entry, and this is amazing one. Okay, let me show you the results in the gold. Let's see the results in the gold. Let's see the support and resistance in the most recent level. Okay, there is a resistance level, but we have just need to wait for the candle to close below from the email. You can use even 1 minute time frame. You can use this strategy this in 1 minute time frame as well. Let me show you. Let's see the support and resistance level in this one. Okay, you can see after touching to the support, candle close upside, take buy entry, take profit. Okay, that is actually a very good one. Okay, and after touching to the resistance level, you can see now my market is going upside. This buy signal gives you the profit, like here this one. There is a small profits, like here you can see this sell signal give you the profit here, this buy signal give you the profit here. Okay, this buy signal give you the profit here, this bull signal is also profitable, this sell signal is also profitable, but there is very small profits. Okay, you can see clearly visible small profits and lot of profits, you can see the results. But if you will follow like this one, like support appear and candle close upside, then take buy entry, again buy entry. Okay, okay, let's see, and here you can see candle is appearing again, and you can go for the buy entry again, and you can see. Okay, if you want to see the result, like here you can see this one. Here you can see support appear, after that candle close comes upside from the EML line, you can see the market will go upside again, profitable signal. So at this level, when here you can see this is the demand zone, and after some time when the appear sell zone, supply zone, and resistance, then when appeared, then and candle close up below from the EMA line, then you can take sell entry. Okay, and hopefully you will love this video as usual, and any question, any query you can ask me, and this is the best indicator actually. And if you need this indicator, you can contact my WhatsApp number. Let me show you my contact details. This is my contact details, and you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail, and hopefully you will love this video. Any question, any query you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.